Today market updates, Nifty ends at 17,893.50 where there was a change of 0.12%. Sensex ends at 60,806.22 where there was a change of 0.23%. Bank Nifty ends at 41,554.30 where there was a change of 0.04%. Nifty IT ends at 30,990.80 where there was a change of 0.70%. In National Stock Exchange, the advances are 948 and the declines are 1,078. Now we will see top 5 gainers and losers in Nifty 50. The gainers are Bajaj Financial Services, Hindalco, HDFC Life, Asian Paints, IndusInd Bank, and the losers are Adani Enterprises, Adani Ports, Hero Motors, Cipla, JSW Steel. Now we will see the top 5 stocks which are most active. In terms of value and in volume, the most traded stocks in lakhs are Adani Enterprises, Reliance, Adani Ports, Bajaj Finance, Infosys. The most traded stocks in volume are Tata Steel, Adani Ports, Adani Enterprises, SBI, ITC. To 82.54 against the US dollar on Wednesday after the Reserve Bank of India hiked the repo rate by 25 basis points. US stocks ended lower on Wednesday, with technology-focused stocks the biggest losers. Nifty futures traded 0.01% higher at 17,891 on the Singapore exchange, indicating that the Indian market got off to a subdued start on Thursday. IRCTC Q3 results vertical bar net profit up 22% YoY to 256 crore rupees, dividend declared at 3.5 rupees per share. For the third quarter ended 31st December 2022, Piramal Pharma on Thursday reported on a consolidated basis 90 crore rupees posted a net loss. The Mumbai-based company posted a net profit of 163 crore rupees in the October to December quarter of last fiscal. Revenue from operations in the third quarter was 1,706. Antony Waste Group has bagged orders worth 1,024 crore rupees for collection, transportation, processing and disposal of construction and demolition waste. Devyani International Q3 results, profit 71.67 crore rupees versus 63.12 crore rupees in same period last year. The Supreme Court on Friday agreed to hear a petition seeking to hear the Hindenburg inquiry report on Adani companies. Lupine received approval from US FDA for their new drug glycopyrrolate injection, following the union budget last week and RBI policy changes on Wednesday. Global brokerage Jefferies has reshuffled its India model portfolio to include Bajaj Finance and Cholamandalam Finance, removing ICICI Prudential Life. India's goods and services tax officials visit Adani Wilmar companies in Himachal Pradesh. Source, media reports. Norway Wealth Fund has sold shares of Adani companies. Greaves Cotton acquires Excel controlling cage for 385 crore rupees. Ram Ratna Wires consolidated December 2020 to net sales at 612.42 crore rupees, up 1.59% YoY. Manali Petro consolidated December 2020 to net sales were 237 rupees 70 crore, down 51.43% compared to the same period last year. Following companies in the table are the companies providing dividends, buyback and rights issue. Note the ex-date and record date carefully and do the needful. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly support us by subscribing our channel and share it with your friends and relatives. See you tomorrow with more market updates.